Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take me just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your voice is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain. I cannot compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep. There's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls me, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you can easily take my man, but you don't know what it means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. You can have your choice of men, but I could never love him. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you, whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take me even all you can. Jolene.
Yeah, we can try Desperado.
You're looking cold there, Stan. You cold out there? You did. Good to see you, buddy.
Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? Been out riding fences for so long now.
No,